Welcome to watch Vimble ONE basic tutorial video. First, unfold the gimbal. Rotate the phone holder and open the location lock. Install the tripod if you need. Keep the side with the logo upward. Try to set the phone in the middle. If it's not balanced, adjust the phone position slightly. Portrait mode needs balancing as well. You're ready to turn on the phone after balancing. Long press the function button to power on. The gimbal is ready to be used. Do not touch the phone when powering the gimbal on. When click the function button, the phone will move with the gimbal. Double-click the function button. Switch the gimbal to portrait mode. Or you can rotate the holder by hand to switch shooting mode. Stretch the extension bar by holding the vertical arm. Thanks for watching.